Now, wow, my people. Hey, I hear say kidnappers don't enter the University of Abuja. Go carry them, the people where they live inside the staff quarters of the school. And people where they carry na like the professors, the big people where they inside the school where they teach, and then they go carry. I beg, where one can safe again inside Nigeria? A whole university for Abuja. We are our number one, they live now there, then these people still carry themselves, say they go. And based on what I hear, people who can attack these people, they be like 50 men people. A gang of 50, I beg, waiting, I won't conquer. Money they inside this university will be saying, I won't go there, attack them. But this one, in fact, now certain to me, because the way these attacks, they happen now, the things don't, they really, they vex me. But my people never see this one, they can follow me watch.
So, Fidelis, thank you, Fidelis, for joining us on Arise News. I know very well that you're traumatized. Thank you for having to speak to us. Please bring us up to date. What happened? You were taken into the bush, and at some point they released you. And we know that your father is also away. Please let us know how this happened and how they came in.
Okay, it was about 12, probably 12:30 or so in the morning. We heard gunshots around the quarters. People came in. So probably the armed jobbers, they came in. They were able to make their way into our house. They took away some of our properties, and also they took away my dad and my junior brother with other persons from some other families also.
Do we know exactly who these people are?
I don't know. I don't know them. I probably don't know. Probably there were about 20 to 30 of them, but we don't know them.
Thank you very much. We will now go to the chairman, ASO chairman, who's standing right here, Dr. Kasim. You've been here. We've seen a lot of dignitaries also, coming to show solidarity with your colleagues here in the staff quarters. What more do we know that happened today?
Well, at about 12:30 a.m., almost 1 o'clock, I got a distress call that the bandits have invaded Giri staff, University of Abuja staff quarters. Well, this place, the staff quarter is university. The entire place here is University of Abuja, which is inside the main campus. But, well, it's the small village that made them to say Giri staff quarters. So we stay within the university. We got this information early hours this morning. They invaded Giri and invaded Giri staff quarter where our members are staying. And they took away Professor Joseph Obansa, and just like his son, John Obansa, and one of my colleagues also, Dr. Ferguson Tobins from engineering, they took him away. And Professor Oboskolo, which we call Basi, and his son and the girl that is staying with them, 2 people were taken away from that house. The son is just 9-year-old, and one Malam Sambo Muhammad was also taken away, making a whole total 6 people were whisked away this morning.
So this place is, we have senior staff members actually. We're talking about doctors and professors as well. When we're coming in, we didn't see so much of security presence. Is this staff quarters really, really safe, or was what made it easy for them to be able to just come in and go away with these persons that you have unfortunately mentioned?
As far as we are concerned, there's no security here. There's no security at all, because at any angle you can come in. As you see, we have the 2 gates, but at the back extreme end of the location, there's no gate, there's no fence. And I think the bandits actually took advantage of some of these little lapses.
Now, wow. On I hear waiting these people they talk. Say inside the school, no security. A university quarter without, I beg, waiting can be the essence of running the school. Why be say kidnappers no go just enter, can carry whoever they like? I mean, with the looks of things, are they very certain say these people know the premises? They know where gates they know where gate no they. Because the man they claim say for the back of the school no gate. I beg, I go know say students they here. Teachers and lecturers they live for here, but still on and leave the place. Sometimes now we they cause our own problem. But this Madam Arise News, I better call you will be say you go there interview. I expect say you go ask the person one question. The person will not claim say they are carrying and they can't release. Why not no ask and say what thing make them release them? Una just believe say they carry the person go release and just I sure say something certain go dey there. Because small children dey there. They no release those ones. This ones will be adults and they can't release 2 out of 8. Una suppose ask them because now we know say even family members they pay make they adopt their own family. Una sure say no be then this ones now don't go plan something because now me now waiting at the reason be this. But anyhow, Mr. President, now you are the direct this one too because this one they happen inside your nose. Now for Abuja now they happen. Now you supposed carry this matter for head now. Find something to do about that. So Mr. President, we go to wait for the update on this one will happen for this school. Anyways, my people now here, I will take break on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. This story now for people where they inside Lagos, Ikeja. I hear say one massive gas pipeline don't burst for that side though. So those of now where they inside that side, they are supposed they very careful. Because I hear say this one sooner or later make something not go happen. Now why they come as I come they announce them. And this one there for people who say that they stay for inside computer village and under bridge go. Now on this thing really affect too. The Lagos emergency you don't talk say make all of them vacate that location. My people never see this one, make now follow me watch.
That guy is too close to that place.
Now wow, Nigerians una go continue to be Nigerians. They talk say gas they leak, make una vacate that place. Now all of una gather like say party they happen for there. So una won't go look, I beg una spiritual forefathers they for that place. Where be all of una they chook neck, one look waiting they waiting one even invest me partner. Children they for this place. I don't know if their parents know this is okay, now something bad won't happen for you. Make we carry this picking come up for them. They still live they made a day this guy inside this place. I don't know be as Nigeria, be as they swear for us. Maybe we not just like to hear what. Maybe now beating they go start to use for people to receive sense. If something bad now can happen for you, they go they blame Buhari. They blame Nigerian government saying they don't do something about that. Now they talk and say the thing they leak make people come up for them. Now people still won't go they look this kind of thing. If fire now can happen now go they complain. But anyway, they don't talk and say people where they live inside this, they don't want make anybody do anything where go cause any fire. Or anything will cause explosion. Now why they say make nobody open shop? Make everybody they go in house, make it they where one day safely. But I beg people where they there, make na day safe. Or now no say this country don't dey hard enough. Who no one can hear say explosion don't happen, some people don't die. Now why I come as and now when they sound out this warning you wait there inside Ikeja, I beg come up for that location for now. See the fit tell us okay fine and good. If they safe for now to come back to this place. Anyways, my people now here I go end up on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.